Hare Krishna. Happy Damodara Mass to everyone. Here are few of the photos children offering ghee lamp to Krishna. These are the wonderful children of Advanced Bhagavad Gita courses with ISKCON Mangalore. So in Skanda Purana, Lord Brahma has said to his son Narada, if one offers a ghee lamp to Damodara in the month of Kartika, his sins of many thousands and millions of births perish. Even if no mantras are chanted, no pious deeds performed, and no purity observed, everything becomes perfect when a person offers a lamp during the month of Kartika. No sin exists anywhere in the three worlds that will not be purified by offering a lamp to Lord Keshava during Kartika. To one who either at home or in a temple offers him a ghee lamp during the month of Kartika, Lord Vasudeva gives a great result. So I request every one of you to offer the ghee lamp to Sri Krishna